Hey guys, what I want to talk to you today about is how to make money in crypto, in crypto gaming without being a player. But before we talk about that, I want to give you a chance to read this disclaimer. All right, guys, let's get to it and do it, and let's get right to it. So this is Meme Wars from Meme.Club. So Meme Wars is the is the video game from Meme.Club, and it just launched today. It just launched the official, it just had its official launch. And I know what you're saying. Wait a minute. I may not be a game player that had what. How can I make money off of that? Here, I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show it to you with the official launch. Let me show you the actual platform. This is the platform. Now, if you're a game player, that's wonderful. But even if you are not, let me show you what makes Meme.Club different and how you can, make money as Meme.Club is growing with this game. So here you go. So what you can do is I don't say if you believe in the platform, but if you want to make money off the game that's just been released, all you have to do is just buy a smart contract, invest in this particular platform. Now, let me say, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Only invest what you're willing and able to lose, and always do your own due diligence, right? So what you can do is, just as an investor, just as somebody that wants to put money in something and get a return back, you can buy one of these contracts. So 0.75% daily, the minimum investment is only $100 up to $500. You're going to get 0.75% daily. If you want to get 1% daily, that starts at $501 to $5,000. You want to get 1.2% daily, $5,001 to $50,000. And if you want to get 1.5% daily, that starts with $50,001 to $250,000. Now, this is not a fly-by-night program. This is a platform that's been here a while. 92 days, guys, almost over 100 days. We're more than 3 months in, 4,700 clients, and they have just launched this game. Now, the reason that launching a game is important is because there are a lot of platforms who, quote unquote, say what they do. They say they do trading. They say they do all these other things. Meme.Club is actually doing it. It's walking the walk. And so wouldn't you rather be part of a platform that's actually physically doing something and actually has a product that people can actually use, as opposed to this mythical, oh, I don't know what they're doing. They say that they're, trading, but I don't know. I never see proof of it. That is what's so much different about this particular platform is you see what they're doing on the calls. They talk through the trades. You can see the trades. Everything is very transparent about this platform. And so how can you make money off of crypto games without being a player? By investing in the platform. Now, all of this includes risk, right? So there are no guarantees. This is all high risk. And so only invest money that you're willing and able to lose. But I just want to announce, now some of you are players, right? So another way that you can make money, right, is if you know people that are into gaming and into playing games. Hey, tell them about the game, because here's the deal: the more popular the game is, the more money you will make. That's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. I'm gonna tell you about this, and then I'm just gonna tell you about this story. And I think it's really relevant. I was watching this documentary on Netflix about GameStop, and there were a lot of investors that made money off GameStop that weren't gamers. Well, how did they do that? They invested in the stock, and when the stock kept going up and up and up because they were kept investing in it, guess what? They were making money. They were making money. Not gamers, but people who invested in the stock. Well, this platform, I won't say it's similar, but I'm just saying it's the same type of concept. Because people are investing in the game and investing in trading, this allows this company to be healthier, to be growing, and then you will be reaping the rewards as they continue to have success. And we certainly hope that's the case. But once again, I cannot say it enough. There are no guarantees. There are no guarantees. But I really appreciate the fact that they are transparent, that they are actually working on a real product that people can actually really see, and that provides a lot of validity for me. So I'll be playing this in the future. I'm not going to go through all the playing and all that. That's not what I'm talking about, because I know I don't know what the percentage was. A large part of my audience is probably not going to be gamers, but I know all of my audience wants to make more money. So if that's you, if you want to make more money and you want to, you want to get involved with Meme.Club, all you have to do is click on the link that's in the description in the comment of this video, and make sure you watch the next video as I talk about the count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways that you can look for red flags before a platform rugs.